Good morning, Mr. Jones. My name is Patty. I'm your CNA today. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Wonderful. I'd like to change your sheets. Is that okay?
Yes.
Let me close your curtain, wash my hands, get my supplies, and I'll be right back. After washing my hands, I'll get the supplies I need for this skill. So we're going to start with a barrier, putting it on the overbed table. This gives us a clean place to put our clean supplies. And then to make a bed, we're going to need a pillowcase, a top sheet, a bottom sheet, and a privacy blanket. We're going to start with the bottom sheet. So I'm going to place a privacy blanket over you. This is going to help keep you warm and provide some privacy as we do this skill. So I'll spread this out, being careful not to shake it or snap it, and lay it in place. I'm going to pull your top sheet all the way down, and we'll remove it from the bed, wrapping it in a ball so that the trailing edges don't contaminate other surfaces. We're going to lay this on an unused part of the barrier on the table. Mr. Jones, can you scoot your whole body toward me? And then I'm going to ask you to roll to that side so you're in the middle of the bed. Thank you. We're going to remove the sheet from the top and the bottom of the bed, and we'll roll this toward the patient. Dirty always rolls toward the patient. And we're going to tuck this in under the patient's body, all along the length of their body. Now we'll take the clean sheet, unfold it, and spread it out on the mattress, being careful not to shake it or snap it or let it touch the floor. We'll secure the corners. And then we'll take the clean sheet and roll it toward us to minimize wrinkles. And then we're going to lift the bottom sheet and tuck this clean sheet underneath the bottom sheet, all along the length of the body. So we'll roll it toward us. And then tuck it underneath the soiled sheet. You want to minimize the wrinkles that are under the patient. All right, Mr. Jones, can you come back onto your back and scoot to the middle? You'll feel a big roll. Okay, I'm going to go to the other side of the bed now. Can you scoot toward me, please? And then roll on your side so you're facing that direction. Thank you. We're going to remove the bottom sheet from the bed, rolling it in a ball. And then we'll place this with our other soiled items on the overbed table. We'll stretch out the clean sheet. Attach the corners. Minimizing the wrinkles underneath the patient. Okay, Mr. Jones, can you come back onto your back and scoot to the middle, please? Okay. Now we'll put the top sheet on. We want to open this up and spread it out, being careful not to snap it or shake it. We'll lay this over the patient. Making sure that there's an equal amount of sheet on each side of the bed. And then we're going to tuck the sheet under the mattress. So we'll lift the mattress and pull the sheet so that it's flat under the mattress. We're going to come down about a foot from the end of the bed, pick it straight up. You'll see a triangle here, and tuck in the bottom. We're going to lift the mattress from below, tuck the sheet so that it's flat under the mattress. Come down about a foot from the end of the bed, pick the top flap straight up. You'll see a triangle. Tuck everything else in. We're going to loosen this over the toes. And now I can remove your privacy blanket. I'm going to roll this into a ball and place it with our other dirty items. Mr. Jones, can I take your pillow? I'll bring it right back. We'll remove the pillowcase by holding the pillow and sliding the pillowcase down. We're going to place this with our other soiled items and put the pillow on the table. We'll take the pillowcase, scrunch it all the way up to the corners, and the tag side of the pillow will go into the pillowcase. So we'll stand it up, slide the pillowcase over the pillow, hold the whole pillow and pillowcase, and slide the sides down. The opening of the pillowcase is going to face away from the door. Mr. Jones, can you lift your head up for me? Thank you very much. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Let me dispose of my supplies, and I'll be right back.
Okay.
These are going to go into dirty linen. And then we'll dispose of our barrier. We'll place our table back and make sure our environment is clean. All right, Mr. Jones, is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Would you like a magazine before I go?
No, thank you.
Okay, your call light is right here. If you need anything, just press that red button. We'll be happy to help you.
Thank you.
Bed is in the low position. Environment is clean. I'm going to go wash my hands. After washing my hands, I'll review the care plan, make any corrections, and tell the evaluator my skill is done.